Hi, my name is Dr. Laura Pate. I'm a chiropractic physician at Absolute Healthcare Advanced Chiropractic in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Today I'm bringing you a demonstration video using a foam roller for the bottom of the feet. So you will need a foam roller, or you could use some sort of hard sports ball like a lacrosse ball, even a tennis ball might work, a baseball, that might be a little painful, but I'm using a foam roller. It doesn't matter if it's half this length or the full length, you just want to make sure it's hard styrofoam. And I'm also using a yoga mat on the floor. Now for this foam rolling stretch, I'm going to stand up. Again, we're going to be using the feet. So I'm going to turn to my side so you can see what I'm doing. But I always want to make sure, again, I'm holding on to something stable, a wall or a piece of furniture. I'm going to start with my right foot. I'm going to put the arch of my foot just right on this foam roller and move it back and forth. So you can start keeping your foot just in a very center plane, moving it back and forth. It feels amazing. And then I would also recommend rotating your ankle internally to get the inside of your feet, going back and forth, and then also externally rotating to get the sides. Whatever areas feel tight, just work on those a little bit more. If something feels sticky, you can keep it there, move it side to side. You can even get in there and stretch your toes a little bit. I would do this for maybe a minute or two until you feel that work itself out. This one is very pleasant, it feels wonderful. My other cat is currently trying to get in. You can see her tail to get the other one. If you want to switch, you're just going to put the right foot down and put your left foot on and roll it back and forth. Again, this feels really, really good. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Again, get that inside and the outside until you feel some release. If you do like the videos, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.